Are you tired of setting goals only to fall short? What if you could master the art of setting goals to transform your dreams into reality? What if achieving your dreams was just a matter of applying a few psychological principles? Learn how to break the cycle with effective goal setting. In this video, we'll explore how understanding the psychology behind goal setting can help you achieve your aspirations. Whether you're aiming to excel in your career, improve your health, or pursue personal interests, knowing how to set and achieve goals effectively can be a game changer. Setting goals is a critical part of our everyday lives. It provides us with a sense of purpose and direction, helping us make better decisions and take meaningful actions. Clear goals provide direction, motivation, and a roadmap for success. Follow along while we cover techniques like setting SMART goals, visualization, and breaking down large objectives into actionable steps. Picture this. You're celebrating a major accomplishment. What did you do to get there? What if you could unlock the secret to staying motivated and productive all year round? Understanding the psychology behind goal setting is essential to creating and achieving meaningful goals. Clear, well-defined goals have a significant impact on our motivation and productivity. When we set specific objectives, our minds can focus on what needs to be accomplished, leading to greater efficiency and effectiveness in our actions. One of the key psychological benefits of goal setting is the sense of purpose and direction it provides. When we establish goals, we create a roadmap for our journey, which guides us toward our desired outcomes. This clarity not only enhances our focus, but also boosts our overall motivation, as we can visualize our progress and envision the end results. In terms of motivation, goals can be driven by both intrinsic and extrinsic factors. Intrinsic motivation refers to pursuing goals for personal satisfaction, growth, or enjoyment. This type of motivation is particularly powerful because it taps into our internal desires and values. On the other hand, extrinsic motivation comes from external rewards such as recognition, money, or other tangible incentives. While both forms of motivation can be effective, intrinsic motivation tends to lead to more sustained and fulfilling goal achievement. Understanding the psychological aspects of goal setting empowers us to create goals that align with our values and motivations, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling and successful journey. Let's move forward and explore how to set SMART goals effectively. When it comes to effective goal setting, using the SMART framework is a proven method to guide you in creating clear, achievable goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's explore each component in detail. Specific. To set specific goals, you need to be clear and precise about what you want to achieve. Avoid vague statements and instead define your goals using concrete and detailed language. For example, instead of saying, "I want to get in shape," specify, "I want to run a 5K race in 3 months." Measurable. Establish criteria for tracking your progress. By setting measurable goals, you can assess how close you are to achieving them and stay motivated along the way. For example, if your goal is to run a 5K race, you might track your distance and pace during training. Achievable. Goals should be challenging yet attainable. Setting overly ambitious goals can lead to frustration and burnout, while setting too easy goals may lead to boredom. Consider your current resources, skills, and circumstances when establishing your goals. Relevant. Goals should align with your values, interests, and long-term objectives. This ensures that your efforts are meaningful and contribute to your overall sense of fulfillment. For instance, if you want to advance in your career, focus on goals that enhance your professional development. Time-bound. Creating deadlines for your goals adds urgency and accountability. Setting a clear time frame helps you stay focused and committed to your objectives. For example, if you want to run a 5K race, set a specific date for the race. By following the SMART framework, you can set goals that are well-defined, achievable, and motivating. This approach enhances your chances of success and helps you stay on track. Next, we'll explore how visualization can further enhance your goal-setting journey. Imagine achieving your biggest goals effortlessly. What if there was a psychological approach to make that happen? What if you could harness your mind to visualize success and achieve your goals faster? Visualization is a powerful mental technique that can significantly enhance your goal-setting journey. By creating clear mental images of achieving your goals, you can improve motivation and performance. When you visualize the successful achievement of your goals, you paint a vivid picture in your mind of what that success looks like. For instance, if your goal is to complete a 5K race, imagine yourself crossing the finish line, feeling accomplished and proud. This positive imagery can inspire you to take action and stay motivated. Visualize the sights, sounds, and emotions associated with your success. Consider different aspects of your goal, such as the steps you will take, the challenges you may face, and the rewards of achieving it. Repeat this visualization regularly to reinforce your focus and drive. Impact on motivation and performance. Visualization helps strengthen your commitment to your goals by making them feel more attainable and tangible. This mental rehearsal prepares you for success and can boost your confidence. Moreover, visualizing potential challenges and your responses to them helps you stay resilient and adaptable. Incorporating visualization into your goal-setting routine can enhance your mental preparedness and improve your chances of success. It brings your goals to life in your mind, serving as a guide for your actions and a source of motivation when faced with obstacles. By visualizing your goals and the process of achieving them, you can maintain a strong connection to your objectives and stay inspired throughout your journey. Ever wonder why some people seem to achieve their goals effortlessly? Let's find out how you can too. Breaking down large goals into smaller, manageable tasks is a crucial strategy for effective goal setting. By dividing your main objectives into bite-sized pieces, you make them less overwhelming and easier to accomplish. Here's how this approach can benefit you and support your journey toward success. Importance of division. When a goal feels too large or complex, it can be daunting to get started. Breaking it down into smaller tasks allows you to tackle each part incrementally, making your goal more approachable. This step-by-step approach not only simplifies the process, but also builds momentum as you achieve each task. Creating action plans and milestones. Once you've broken down your goal, create a detailed action plan outlining each task you need to complete. Set clear milestones to mark your progress and keep you on track. Milestones provide opportunities for you to pause, evaluate your progress, and celebrate achievements. Celebrating small victories. Acknowledging and celebrating your achievements, no matter how small, is vital for maintaining motivation and confidence. When you accomplish a task or reach a milestone, take a moment to appreciate your progress. This positive reinforcement can keep you motivated and committed to your goal. Adjusting as needed. Breaking down goals also allows you to be flexible and make adjustments as necessary. As you progress through your tasks, you might find that your approach needs tweaking. This adaptability helps you stay on course and better navigate any obstacles. By breaking down your goals into smaller tasks, you create a clear roadmap to follow, making your objectives more manageable and increasing your chances of success. Goal commitment and accountability are crucial aspects of achieving your objectives. By staying committed and holding yourself accountable, you can maintain focus and motivation throughout your goal-setting journey. Let's delve into strategies for enhancing your commitment and building accountability. To strengthen your commitment, revisit your goals regularly and remind yourself of the reasons behind them. Establish a routine or schedule that incorporates tasks related to your goals. Additionally, visualize your success and how achieving your goals will positively impact your life. There are various tools and methods available to help you stay accountable. For example, keeping a journal to track your progress can provide you with a clear overview of your achievements and areas that need improvement. Alternatively, you can use apps or online platforms that allow you to set reminders, track milestones, and receive feedback from peers. Share your goals with other people. One effective way to build accountability is by sharing your goals with others. Informing friends, family, or colleagues about your objectives can create a support system that encourages you to stay on track. When others are aware of your goals, you may feel a greater sense of responsibility to follow through. Build a support network. Support networks can greatly enhance your goal achievement. Surround yourself with people who inspire and motivate you. Engage in discussions with like-minded individuals who can offer advice, encouragement, and constructive feedback. A strong support network can help you navigate challenges and keep you motivated. By committing to your goals and establishing accountability measures, you increase your chances of achieving your objectives. Challenges and obstacles are inevitable when striving to achieve your goals. However, how you respond to these setbacks can make all the difference in your journey toward success. Here are some strategies for overcoming challenges and obstacles and staying on track. Identifying potential barriers. Being proactive in identifying potential challenges allows you to prepare for them. Consider what obstacles might arise and plan strategies to address them. This could include time constraints, resource limitations, or unexpected setbacks. Developing contingency plans. Once you've identified potential barriers, create contingency plans to manage them effectively. Having a plan in place can help you navigate challenges and prevent them from derailing your progress. For example, if you anticipate a busy period at work, adjust your schedule to allocate dedicated time for your goal. Reframing setbacks. Instead of viewing setbacks as failures, see them as learning opportunities. Reframe challenges as chances to grow and improve. By shifting your perspective, you can approach obstacles with resilience and adaptability. Embracing flexibility. Being flexible and open to adjusting your approach can help you overcome unexpected challenges. If your initial plan isn't working, consider alternative methods to achieve your goal. Flexibility allows you to pivot and find new ways to reach your objectives. Techniques for staying resilient. Cultivate resilience by focusing on your long-term vision and reminding yourself of your purpose. Practice mindfulness and stress management techniques to stay centered during challenging times. Celebrating your progress, even in small increments, can also boost your confidence and keep you motivated. Goal evaluation and reflection are key processes that help you stay aligned with your objectives and facilitate continuous improvement. Regularly assessing your goals allows you to track progress, make necessary adjustments, and learn from your experiences. Let's explore how evaluation and reflection can enhance your journey. Importance of regular reviews. Consistently reviewing your goals helps you stay aware of your progress and any changes in circumstances. Set regular intervals, weekly, monthly, or quarterly, to evaluate how you're doing and whether you're on track to meet your objectives. Adjusting goals as necessary. Life is dynamic and your goals may need to change to reflect new priorities, challenges, or opportunities. During your evaluations, be open to adjusting your goals as needed. This flexibility ensures your objectives remain relevant and achievable. Tracking progress. Utilize tools like journals, spreadsheets, or apps to record your progress. Tracking your achievements provides tangible evidence of your growth and helps you identify areas that need improvement. Celebrating milestones along the way can boost your motivation. Reflecting on lessons learned. Reflection is a powerful tool for personal growth. Take time to ponder what worked well and what could have been done differently. Analyzing both successes and setbacks helps you gain valuable insights that you can apply to future goals. Integrating personal growth. As you evaluate and reflect on your goals, consider how your journey has contributed to your personal development. Reflect on any new skills, knowledge, or experiences you've gained. Recognizing your growth can provide you with a sense of accomplishment and inspire you to set new, ambitious goals. By engaging in regular goal evaluation and reflection, you maintain awareness of your progress and ensure your goals continue to align with your evolving aspirations. This practice supports a cycle of continuous improvement and learning, empowering you to achieve greater success in your pursuits. So what goals have you been hesitant to pursue? How can the principles covered in this video help you take the first step toward achieving them? Consider the potential of defining clear, specific goals, breaking them down into manageable tasks, and using visualization to guide you. How will you stay committed to your goals and hold yourself accountable? What support networks or accountability partners can you turn to for encouragement along the way? As you embark on your journey, remember that goal setting is a powerful tool that can transform your aspirations into reality. What's one goal you can set today to start putting these principles into practice? Let us know in the comments, and let's support each other in our goal-setting adventures. Don't forget to subscribe for more content and engage with our community as you continue your journey toward success. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.